Hello my creators, today we are going to make paper kite. For that we require these materials. Let's start the video. First I took A3 size paper and I fold it from the upper and lower, not from the center. Now same way at the other side also. So I will get the center line. Now I want the half of the half paper. So only I am folding from the two corners. So I will get this half folder. Now I am going to draw this. I am taking the little bit down from the half one like this. See. As I told you, I will take little bit down. And now I joint it at the bottom. So here is our kite shape is ready. Now you have to cut and you have to take another half chart paper, white color or any other color, and you have to keep putting this paper on it for the border work. Before that you have to draw the border like this. Now you have to adjust the kite. Like this you have to make a border of a actual kite size on the white paper. After that you have to remove this peach color paper and you have to draw the same similar scale size broadhead line on the white paper. So like this, once you complete the line drawing work, we are going to take 15 by 15 centimeter square paper. I fold it half, then half, then half, and last one more half. So I fold this paper 4 times. Now first I am making this paper half and then I cut the squares. Like this you can take the so many color whichever you have and make a small square pieces for the collage work. So here I took these same many papers for the collage work. Now from here we start doing collage work. So first apply the Fevicol on it and then we are going to stick the papers like this. During this paper sticking work, no matter your paper is going out, because afterwards at the last we are going to cut from the outer side and in a center we are going to stick our original paper cutout. So like this one by one you have to complete your sticking work. Here I took paper and then I make it half and now I am going to make fan folding work. Like this we are going to make 6 to 7 fan folding bows ready. Now here first I am going to take this paper and stick it in a center area like this, and now again I am going to take the scale and making marking with the pencil and then I am going to cut that line. So like this you will get the proper straight line cutting work also. Now in a center I am going to stick the 1 centimeter black paper strip. Now once you complete this one we are going to start decorating. I just cut the eye shapes, 2 white circle and 2 black and again the little bit smaller white circle. Before that, which we make a bow with the fan folding work, I am going to stick the any color paper in a center circle like this and I make it the 8 bows ready. Afterwards we are going to stick it in the 3 corners of the main kite and then at the bottom. Here at the bottom, first I am going to stick the satin ribbon. The size is like the scale. Once I complete sticking satin ribbon, I will stick the bows on it. After that, I am going to stick the eyes like this. Also cut the nose shape, so I am going to stick it here. Now with the help of the sketch pen, I make the eyebrow and the smile face. You can create your character whichever you like it. So this time in a kite festival you can make your own kite. I hope you like and enjoy this activity. Happy Makar Sankranti to you all.